If anybody asks us, where are we going? Where are we going to? We going to the White House. We going to the White House to see Mr. Biden. Yes. So me wa. Yes, like ring, Joyce. Joyce. Yeah, go White House. We are go White House. Oh, why you say, Joyce? You phone the yellow house. You phone down there? Oh, I see. So what she said to you? Oh, you tell me when you see me. Oh yeah. So you book up with Biden for tell him say we are come up there. Oh, worrying now, Mr. Biden. Him hang up. So, and a Biden you see we are march. But I no march, me want to see Biden. Me thought we're going to see Biden, that's why me was so excited. So now Biden we are see. Oh yeah, march, cause you want to tear down the corruption. Oh, you want to tear down corruption. I see. Somebody keep ringing me on the phone and then they hang up. Okay. Alright then, so me no want march. Me can't bother with the march. Me thought me was getting excited because me thought we not go see Biden. So if I know Biden we are go see, me no march. Me can't bother with it. You have to tell me another time what took place when you ring down at the place there. Down at the yellow house. We talk about that when we talk. So it's when we meet up. We talk about that. So carry on with your march. You got enough people to go with you? Oh yeah, try to get it together. Alright then. I don't know, but how does that go? Why you marching to the White House? Why you not march to the Black House? Oh, okay. Me leave him, me couldn't do another because I don't know if that makes sense, marching to the White House. I don't know how you go ring down at the yard, woman. Yeah, marathon you want. Oh, you want some money. Oh, you want to have to run marathon, but you don't know if you ask. Okay. You want me to ask for you? Because I know the lady. So I could have asked. Yeah, because she do marathon the weekend gone. I think she do marathon weekend times by the looks of it. She not do charity, but you know, if you come up with a storyline, she will do marathon. Oh, you know what? Okay. And that's why you call and said your name Joyce. Yeah. So just stick to that name there. Yeah. And you know, change up your voice. Yeah. Yeah, your name Joyce. And just change up your voice so nobody don't know say you. Alright then. Me leave you to carry on with what you do. Alright then. And so, when you go ring, no ring this weekend, make it blow off a bit, change your name again. I suggest you change your name again. Because you're going to know say you. Change up your name again. But you have to go up on camera. So I don't know how you're going to do that one day. Yeah, you might have to, me not think it go work. Yeah. Because that's just camera. This is a lady I use, so you're not going to get through. You're not going to get nothing. If things not work out for you and you're desperate on your face, you have to go find some other means of getting things. Alright then. Yeah. We talk another time then. Alright then. Welcome, my lovely, beautiful people. Yes. So fine man come now. And do a little skit on the Joyce saga. Come here, one Joyce saga. Go on. Where Joyce call the lady down at the shop. Yeah. And I tell her this and I tell her that. But we feel say the person, the person who said them go march to the White House. We feel say if firewoman feels say she behind it. Either she or she get somebody to do it. But people can change up them voice and do things and all that. Firewoman just say, yeah, so firewoman just skit out a little things. So, all that, yeah. So, yeah, these people want to tell people what to do and how to do things. Yes, so it sound like that individual because she know everything, the ins and outs, the crypts and the corner there and how everything. Yeah, everything she watch and she know everything. And she said she not go call, yeah. She not go call down at the place, down at the yard, down at, yeah. She said she not go call down there. So me feel say she call down there. And that fireman I go say and she don't talk. But that bit no, but I hope a Tory we have to talk, but yeah. So me see one little video, I got to be quick anyway, kind of like better man on long thing. Me see one little something and where CMR come out and him very, very upset about all people calling up him daughter name, daughters sound like in kids their name, and his wife name and I talk up things wanna go so. And people in my one bloggers, yeah. If they want to come for him know say mess up and all and something there, but leave him family in kids out tight. I think that kids them him very upset about, yeah. So yeah, I made a thought to myself, we've been preaching this for such a long time to say people can cuss people, call them all the name and so, but they must leave people picnic out of them argument and them things. But you know, people are just there forget the kinds as we said before. Another thing now, me see Lady V and Ladana chit chat and all kind of chat are going, yeah. So chit chat come out and not chit chat, me not listen to chit chat, but me know say Michelle Ladana come out because me always watch, sometimes I watch Michelle Ladana, but me not watched over by Michelle Ladana yard because me thought she not gonna come out with this, yeah. Me did predict it, so she not gonna come out. But when me not think she not gonna come out, she never come out about over a week ago when it first happened with when Lady V did address the lady down a Porty. Me not look fishy if it come out, but she never come out. But because Lady V addressed Porty Lady again, she come out now and was talking up the things them, yeah. And yeah, she said a few pointers which you can't knock it, yeah. She said a few pointers, and I said at the end of the day, she's a blogger and she go say what she wants, and nobody can tell her what to say and how to say it and whatever, yeah. And when we say Michelle, she like to get into the controversial argument them, yeah. She like it. So, but the only bit that I felt a bit uncomfortable about, and I'm gonna admit, because some of the things she was saying, yeah, you have to ignore certain people, and she was, I felt she was putting the lady down a bit, you know, like saying intelligent, but she was more or less saying, Porty smarter than her, yeah, but Porty street smart and money smart, so me see it psychologically smart. Because she know forget money and so me support it. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. She was saying, say, the bit that I find uncomfortable, she go watch out the little girl, the young lady page, and she come back and talk with the young lady post on her page, and I felt that was a bit below the belt. Because you're bringing things over here. At the moment, the lady V going through a lot at the moment with the lady down at the down a Porty, a tear down and a tear her down and a, you know, she do the same thing, go over there, get information about the daughter, come over YouTube with it. And then Ladana coming out with what she see too. And I thought that was really, really bad. I didn't like that, I'm gonna say. I thought that wasn't nice, yeah. Because when it comes to things like that, I don't feel I'd want to be putting that kind of thing out there. It's out there already, but nobody never, me not hear it anyway. Me not hear nobody come up with that little bit. And maybe it's out there still, I me not hear it. But I think when you kind of reinforcing and saying it, it make it, you know, it was a bit uncomfortable, to be fair, to listen to, because I just feel say it's painful, yeah, to watch and hear what Lady V go through at the moment, and I think people had into it, help, and I feel say if it's true, Lady V need to just ignore the poetry lady now, because the more she says something, the more the poetry woman will come out, because it's content for her too. And that me I go say, I'm fine man, don't talk, and she gone.